Okay, what we got today is this Chevrolet Silverado 2500, and what we're gonna try to locate is this little blinker light that are not turning on, so we gotta replace the bulbs. We're gonna figure it out how to gain access to it, and most likely we're gonna have to remove this airbox to see if we can have enough access right there. We're gonna disconnect this, make sure we're not pulling any cables, and we're disconnecting it. So that's that. So the airbox should be pretty much disconnected already. There you go. No, this come out. This usually has like rubber bushings just holding it on the bottom. It's never, well, sometimes it's bolted, but not this one. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this whole accordion piece so I have the better access, unless this is built in, which it is. All right, so let's see. There you go. Box is out, and yes, we do have access. Do we? Don't we? Oh, jeez. Can we see them? No. I think we're gonna have to remove the tail light, the headlight. So let's go ahead and start removing everything, because we're gonna have to pop the headlight out. I'm gonna use this clip removing tool and remove all the clips. Like the custom made cap for the, that's for the windshield wiper, I think. Custom work. All right, now we got all the clips out. This should come out. There you go. Now we're heading for the grill. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 10 millimeters, and the bottom should just pop off. Okay, so once we have these 4 bolts out to hold the top of the grill, should be ready to come out. Should. Whoop. All right. Should, but it's not, huh? Why? Because there's probably more. Yeah. Is it? Is that holding the grill? We got one here and one here, and that should release the grill. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I missing something? And then right here, something right here. Sit under this emblem. I'll find out right now. Alright, I think this is part of the headlight. I just don't see anything else holding the grill. I've done this before. I'm pretty sure it's just clips. Yep. So all you gotta do is grab it from the bottom, grab it from the top, and pull it. But like, see right here, this clips. So what I'm gonna do, there you go, you just gotta pull it out. There you go. I pulled it from the bottom, pull it out, pull the clips up, and the grill is out. Hold this over a blinker light, but well, at least we got one of these already. You're gonna take out the other 2 right here, and the headlight should be ready to slide out. Let's see. sometimes headlights have a bolt like down here in the corner, and this one I think it doesn't. Alright, we're almost there. Sometimes simple things turn out to be not so simple. But we're there. We got it. Alright, so now I think we still got something over here. Let's see. Yep, so there is something that's supposed to hold the headlight. But I think this one is just jammed up by this damaged fender. Part of the reason probably why this corner light is not working. But there you go. It's just a matter of the wiggle. Alright, so we're here. Of course, that's why they don't work. There's no bulb there. Let's see this one. Of course, there's no bulbs there. How are they gonna work if there's no bulbs there? Alright, let's get the bulbs and get back to this. Alright, so we got here a couple bulbs. And there you go. You go here. Nope. This is not the right bulb for this. Let's go try another bulb. Okay, so now we're gonna try this style. I think these one too small. These are more for like plate lights, license plate lights. I think these are it. Yep. I'm pretty sure these are it. And we'll test it in a minute. This is an old cover from an old light. Alright. Okay, so now we can put everything back. Let's see. How did it go in? Oh yeah. There you go. You're in. And we're just gonna go backwards now. Putting everything back. Same way it came. This light, the 4 bolts. Put the clips back on the grill. And yeah, I'll get back in a second. Popping the grill back in place in this crooked ass front end. Part of this being hard is because this bumper is pushed in, so it gives very little room for this to happen. But we're gonna make it happen. So I first gotta somehow make it go down there, and then we're just gonna, there you go, see? All the clips going into place right there. So we just push it in. And the same way we pulled it out, push it back in. Holes lined up pretty good. Alright, so we're down to clips. We're down to this piece in the clips. This truck has been dead for months. So I'm gonna try to jump it. And if it don't work, I'm gonna have to wait for later to replace the battery. Ah man, you're gonna make me work double. Sí, ya le dije. Alright. Let's see if it fixed the blinker. Still gotta put the airbox back. And let's see. I'm sure this truck is dead. Yep. But at least the blinker should be working on the front. Let's see now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Fixed it. So that was it. Now we're just gonna put this airbox back in place. Like so. It's gonna sit on its spot. You will feel it. Now we just just gotta attach this. There you go. Then we connect back this so we take off. Yeah, right here and right here. Lock it. There's something. Oh, it's because this one had an accident. This truck had an accident, so the body's not allowing the box to sit in the spot. But yep, we got it working.